Today we're going to talk about a alternative product from using a roofing tarp. The product I'm referring to is this right here. It's called Through the Roof. They sell it at Ace Hardware for about $46. They also sell little small size quart containers. I'm not sure on the price of those. This can be applied with a small throwaway brush or what I'm about to use here. I like to use an acid brush. You get this at Home Depot for about $4.95 or something like that. So you'll need this and a broomstick. To apply this product in a large area, I pour it on an area where I think it's leaking. Then what I like to do is use the brush and I push it in all the edges of the shingles and at the joints. When the weather is hot like today, this product likes to drip down. So you just have to keep pushing it up until it starts to dry. Then it'll stay in place. Now understand that this is just a temporary fix. If you have to use this product, use it and it will last a long time. But I recommend getting your roof inspected by a roofing contractor. You still might have to get your shingles replaced. So I wound up doing this whole area right here. This is where the leak was occurring. I went inside to see where the leak was. Then I went outside and looked on the roof to see about where the leak was occurring. This roof is also in bad shape. You can see the fibers in the shingles. The whole roof is in this shape. It's time to get the shingles replaced. I already applied this product to this area right here. Let me see if I can zoom out so you can see a little bit better. Yeah, that's better. So you can see the area right here where I previously applied this product. Here's another location where I previously applied this. This wet looking area is where I just applied it. This is the shingle without it, recently applied, and previously applied. This is what it looks like when it dries. It dries to like a rubber membrane type. When you're done applying it, just throw the brush head away. Again, this was just a quick video on using an alternative product besides a roofing tarp on your roof. Don't forget to hit that like, bell, and subscribe button for me. Peace.